Hi guys, I'm Clive from the British Geological Survey. I'm just going to explain how we use slinkies to detect earthquakes, or explain how earthquakes are detected. So I'm going to be the earthquake, and my friend here is going to be the seismometer. Okay, we get two forms of energy waves that emanate from an earthquake. The first one is the P wave. So what happens is with the P wave we get this. Okay, and that arrives first. The second wave is the S wave, and that arrives second. So this is what's happened. Now we can measure the time difference between the P wave
So that's how we actually
and the secondary wave. And the time difference gets bigger or longer the further away you are from the earthquake. So if we measure that time difference, we can calculate how far away you are from the earthquake. Then we need two other seismic stations and we do the same thing. And then we plot the radius, draw a circle around each of them, and where the three circles intersect, bingo, that's the location of the earthquake.
for me, my particular